Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and this is going to help no one except for the gentleman I'm trying to help. He sent me this file. It's huge. It's a huge file, but it's got these lines. I've never seen anything like this before. So what we're going to do, we're going to kind of take it apart. I mean, look at this thing. It's a wrap of some sort. 78 inches. We're going to set our nudge factor on 80. And I am going to go up to object and group and ungroup it. And then I'm going to nudge these parts out of the way to get to the meat of the problem. I had no clue. I played with it. As you can see, there is a red box behind it that makes up that square. And it is 439 objects on layer one. I tried everything I could think of. And then I came up, let me just try to make it to a bitmap, convert it to a bitmap. CMYK, I guess you would be printing this, say okay, and the lines disappear. Don't know why. Then put this back to fill in that corner, and then maybe group it together. And I probably should have, I don't know that I nudged, I think I moved that. So you'd want to put it back where it was, and then of course you'd want to go to object order front of page to put it in front of that curly Q. I mean the curly Q's are kind of behind here too, so I don't really know. But the lines in the ice cream, and that's an incredible, almost looks like fake ice cream, but incredible picture. And then you'd want to, move it back to where it was originally. Probably by what I should have done is, well, let's just do that. I imported the file, and as you can see, it's huge. I'm going to move it out of the way from the page, and then I'm going to click on it. So I don't even know what this represents. I'm going to ungroup it, and then whenever you back up, you get rid of your nudge distance. So we're going to nudge this over, and then without moving this, I'm going to grab that red outside box, basically what it is, you can see it, and then turn all this into a bitmap, convert to bitmap, CMYK, 300 dots per inch, whatever you want to use. Then move this back. I'd go ahead and group that together, Control G, and then move it back, and it's right where it needs to be, with the exception we need to go to order front of page. I would send you this file, but you can do this, and you can see now we're actually, well, with the exception of that. Let's try something else. Object, order, back of page. And then, so that puts that, well, let me see here. You see all that's grouped together. Go to object, group, and ungroup. So this is correct. Now we need to take the ice cream, maybe. There we go. So now that squiggly line is actually in the red too. I mean, this file took forever to download. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.